Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When we put number 1 goal here and here, tan of b you got 0, sine of b you got 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we will have like this. That should be about 7s to the power of 6, and we have b. We put this one in here, and later that we have secant of bs to the power of 7 square. So for this one, we will have 14s to the power of 13, and we have b in here. And then we have cosine bs to the power of 14. Now we need to simplify the numbers. B and b we cancel. 7 divided by 14, we have 1 over 2. Next, we simplify the power. That's about number 6 and number 13. And we have 7. Now we put number 1 goal here and here. So we calculate about this one, and we have negative 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.